Or if you write, I want to become more disciplined, why you think you are indisciplined now? What has made you think? And what action are you taking? So you got to be specific, and that is only possible when you write down the action point.
So in the first question, what your parents think about you?
Yeah.
Can we write that our parents are perfect?
What is your parents' opinion about you? क्या लिखा था आपने? Opinion or something else?
Opinion.
Opinion. No? Think नहीं है. Opinion.
They have taught me many qualities of honesty and humor, and I am trying to follow this.
Say again, please.
My
They
parents
think-
have taught me great many qualities. So that's-
Great many qualities. Again, this word is wrong. So you have to remodify. Great many qualities means what? Too many qualities means what? You have to be specific.
Such as hard work, honesty, and discipline.
Don't start the sentence with the wrong word. They find great many qualities in you. No.
Short and many qualities such as hard work, honesty, and integrity. Others try to follow this to make me.
Don't write such. Don't use these adjectives in your sentence. Be very simple and clear. That's what I have explained to you. Please try not to use any of the OLQ in your sentence description. If by mistake 1 or 2 or 3 are coming, are appearing, so give the explanation. So what is the reason behind it? And think logical. Be very practical. Don't try to impress your, make your self description impressive by adding all those impressive words. No. Be practical. You may write down, my handwriting is not up to the standards. For this I am practicing writing 5 pages every day. You can write down this. Many a time I am not aware about the latest rules and regulations in the sports. So I end up doing mistakes in my sports. I break the rules unintentionally. So I am learning latest rules of the game, not to repeat them in future. Am I sounding logical or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you got to writing down. If you just write down, I want to be best all-rounder in all the sports, that is not feasible. You have to be clear, crystal clear. So should we close the day today?
Yes, sir.
Or anything you have in your mind, any doubt, something for tomorrow?
No, sir.
So tomorrow we will be assembling here at about by 8:05, 8:10, and by 8:15 I will be taking your mock test, psychological test. And when you come into this room, you please come with 2 blue ink color pen. Though you may be told in SSB to use blue or the black ink color pen, but my recommendation is using only blue ink color pen. The pen with which you are comfortable, with is comfortable in your hand, because many people are used to different kind of size of the pen, and your handwriting also depends upon certain kind of pen. Your pen should not be leaking or spoiling the dossier or tearing the pages. Please find out that the pen which you are going to use, you are comfortable with. So tomorrow we will be meeting at 8:10. Come with 2 blue ink color pen, and some kind of okay, you got a flap on your chairs, comfortable. And once we enter in this room, please ensure you are through with your everything. No washroom break, no drinking water break in between. If the test start at 8:15, only by about 10:45 you will be permitted to go out of this room. In case if anybody has got any emergency, he or she may leave at his or her own cost. The test will not stop. Okay. So be ready for the test tomorrow. When your exams happen here, what is the duration of your test? Exams? Is it 2 hours or 1.5 minutes? What?
1.5 hours, sir.
Final exam.
Depends on the exam.
Acha, okay. So what is the maximum duration you have set here?
3 hours.
So 3 hours. So I am sure in that 3 hours you may be permitted to go to washrooms and other things, because it's your choice.
Yes, sir.
But here it is not permitted. Here it is not permitted. But still, if somebody need to go urgently, then at their own cost. Test will not come to stop. Test will not be delayed or advanced. So this you need to keep in mind. And no wristwatches, no wall clock, nothing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow we will meet again at 0810. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.